it's Shannon. Welcome back to my second Quick Tip Tuesday. I hope that you guys are enjoying this series. Basically what Quick Tip Tuesday is where I actually answer some of you guys' questions. Some of the questions that I get over and over again and just want to sit down and address directly. So another one of the questions that I get a lot is, where do I buy my wood from? Me personally, I like to go to Home Depot. I've tried other lumber yards before and Home Depot just seems to be the most convenient for me, and also it's pretty affordable. The kind of wood that I like to use and use most often in my builds and wood signs is what's called common board, and it's also pine. I really like it. It's very easy to cut through. It's not a hardwood, and it's easy to sand as well. I also like it because it takes on this wood stain very easily. So I hope that helps you guys a little bit. If you guys have any other questions for me, leave them in the comments below. Maybe I will address them in an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. I hope that this video inspired you. If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I actually do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.